It's a very overcast day, but it's a very good day. And I want to talk to you about cooking again because cooking is my passion. It really is. Uh, the law used to be my passion, but now cooking is my passion. As a chef, I absolutely refuse to allow you to gorge yourself. I will put enough food on the plate to fill your belly, but not enough to distend your belly and make you uncomfortable. I firmly believe in good portions, small portions, a small plate that has good ingredients on it and good taste to it and will satisfy your palate. Especially since there's a lot of appetizers out there. So you're already filling your stomach with an appetizer. And then you have the entree. And I don't believe in desserts. I don't have a sweet tooth. I'm just not that guy. But if you get an appetizer with buffalo wings and pot stickers and mozzarella sticks, that you should be able to share that with your husband or your wife or your significant other or your kid, whoever it is. And that may be enough. But if it's not enough, I believe in very small plates of entrees. And as long as the ingredients are there and the taste is there and the palate satisfaction is there, that should be good enough. You know what? Maybe every once in a while I'll get a piece of cheesecake for dessert, but it doesn't typically happen. I like to fill up on water and the food that actually matters. And this is not just the Culinary Institute teaching me this. I've always believed this. Less is more when it comes to food because food is there for sustenance, not for, well, I guess occasionally it can be there for pleasure. But for the most part, it should be just there for sustenance, maintaining your body, giving your body protein, vitamins, uh, uh, and basically just keeping you healthy as long as you're eating the right things. And I'm not going to lie to you, I don't always eat the right things. I have had KFC, I have had Taco Bell, I have had McDonald's, I have had Burger King. But what makes me the happiest is eating. Uh, all right. Yeah, I guess I gotta say this. Eating healthy stuff. I love a filet mignon. I love chicken piccata. I love. Uh, what do I love? Lobster. Love lobster. Absolutely love lobster. Lobster is my pet. I love scallops. I love uh, cod. I love. No, no, no. I don't love cod. And I'm not going to tell you why I don't love cod because I don't want to ruin cod for you, but there is absolutely a reason for that. I love scrod. I love mahi mahi. I love swordfish. I kind of like seafood. Never really got into shrimp. I just don't like the texture of it. Prawns, nothing like that. But I like I like a nice meaty white fish. And so the whole point of this video is to say that as a chef, I would never overfeed somebody because it's not the right thing to do. Get those vitamins, nutrients, and protein and all that stuff into you. Food is there to keep us alive. And wow, I just realized I lectured for a really good amount of time. But that's just the chef in me. And I can't wait to put that chef jacket back on. My name is on it. It's a source of pride. And eat good stuff. And I'm gonna stop here. I'm way under my post, but I'm gonna stop here because I've lectured long enough. Just eat to live, and live to eat. And I'm gonna be out, and that's it. Have a good night.